This is a 1981 Tour Glide Classic. Surprise of the day, really. I thought because of the state of it was in, covered in dust, it wasn't going to run, but yeah, it did. It fired right up, and sounds great. I did ride it. And it was nice. Brakes need work, although they do work, but they need work. Front tyre's low, so I call it a project bike, but it's going to need recommissioning. The carb's leaking, so I had to put some fuel in it. Let me start it up. Turn the petrol on. See if that helps. Lead pipes make it sound good. Nice little shovelhead.